Hey there, fellow knowledge seekers. Welcome back to our channel where we uncover the secrets of success. Today, we delve into a fascinating topic that has intrigued millions around the world: 10 ways rich people make money with inflation. So, grab a pen and paper, because the secrets we're about to reveal are truly game changers. Way 1. Real estate investment. Owning prime properties during inflation can be immensely profitable. As prices rise, the value of real estate skyrockets, allowing rich individuals to make substantial gains when they eventually sell their properties at premium prices. Way 2. Stock market investments. Rich investors understand that during inflation, some businesses naturally benefit while others struggle. By carefully analyzing market trends and investing in companies that thrive in such conditions, they can make a fortune through rising stock prices. Way 3. Investing in precious metals. When inflation hits, people rush to safeguard their assets, leading to an increased demand for precious metals like gold and silver. Rich individuals seize this opportunity to invest in these commodities, allowing them to preserve and increase their wealth in times of economic uncertainty. If you are new to the channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Way 4. Starting or expanding a business. During inflation, some businesses flourish while others struggle. Smart entrepreneurs leverage this economic climate to launch or expand their ventures, establishing a strong foundation for long-term success. Way 5. Digital entrepreneurship. The digital world is a goldmine for those who understand its potential during inflation. From launching e-commerce stores to becoming social media influencers, rich individuals tap into the power of online platforms to generate substantial income streams. Way 6. Diversifying investment portfolios. Rich individuals know the importance of diversifying their investment portfolios to minimize risk. By allocating their wealth across different asset classes such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and commodities, they build a robust financial fortress that remains resilient during inflation. Way 7. International investments. When inflation hits one country, it may not affect others in the same way. Rich individuals take advantage of international investments, spreading their wealth across global markets, thereby capitalizing on profit potential worldwide. Way 8. Luxury assets. During inflation, luxury assets like yachts, art collections, and vintage cars appreciate in value, making them attractive investments for the wealthy. They enjoy the best of both worlds, indulging in their passions and watching their assets appreciate in value over time. Way 9. Networking. The saying "your network is your net worth" holds true, especially during inflation. Rich individuals actively network with like-minded individuals, collaborating on lucrative opportunities, sharing knowledge, and multiplying their wealth through strategic partnerships. Way 10. Investing in tangible assets. Rich individuals take a step further in preserving and growing their wealth by investing in tangible assets such as private jets, high-end jewelry, and rare collectibles. These assets not only appreciate in value, but also provide a sense of luxury and exclusivity. Fellow knowledge seekers, we have uncovered some of the most effective ways rich people make money with inflation. Now it's time for you to put this knowledge into action and pave your own path to financial success. Remember, the world belongs to those who see opportunities when others see obstacles. Until next time, stay inspired and keep building your empire.